Many people do not realize that Dogecoin will kick off the meme super cycle and meme coins will go fucking crazy. What's up guys, Cryptomindd here. So a few days ago I placed on my Instagram story that I will do some altcoin requests from the public, and a lot of people sent me altcoins, so I chose out 5 of them that were mostly requested. Before I start, guys, make sure to leave a like and a subscribe on this video. It helps the algorithm, it motivates me, and I'm almost at 500 subscribers, which is definitely a milestone for me. Anyway, let's just immediately get into it. Let's start off with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is looking is looking extremely bullish. I do expect that Dogecoin will also kick off the meme coin super cycle. Now, Dogecoin, what happened here is we broke above this consolidation zone, retested it, perfect structure retest, held support, and price just took off to the upside very logically because this was a structural zone. Now, what happened is that Dogecoin this week is extremely bullish, with rumors going on about Elon Musk, or people anticipating now, I would rather say, that Elon Musk might adopt Dogecoin again or use it again for Tesla or whatever it is that they said. So that's something to watch out for. Now, in technical perspective, 2 things could happen. If we close the weekly in 8 hours above this zone right here, the next week or so, we could retest this zone, hold support, climb higher. Or what that could happen is that we close back below this zone, have a small correction, which again, a small correction means buy the dip opportunity. The small corrections that now come along the way are still buy the dip opportunities, but also that time frame will fall away. We had the accumulation time frame. Now we have the buy the dip opportunity time frame, but eventually price will just take off and you have to let it go. Simple as that. If we fall back below this zone, this is what we're looking for. This is where I would start to accumulate again. And then I would just wait for this zone to turn into support and price to take off. Target for Dogecoin, 90 cents, $1, $1.20, something region. Right, let's move on to PropChain. PropChain, heavily requested by people from the Netherlands. A lot of people asked me if I wanted to cover this. So let's just cover it. So for the people who can clearly see it, I'm in a long position on PropChain. I entered with my community a few days ago on the 30th of October here at $1.05. So far I'm up with 25%, so quite happy with that. Target being 150% profit trade. What would make me bullish on PropChain is if we break back above this zone right here, technically seen of $1.60, $1.50. If we break back above the zone, turn it into support, we'll climb higher towards my first take profit zone of $2, and above there the full take profit zone of $2.50, $2.60, $2.70. Only thing that will make me bearish on PropChain is if we break below this zone here of an 85 cents. If we lose support here, then the fall could be deep, but I do not expect that to happen in the cycle that we are right now. That's a little bit of my perspective on it. Where will this go in a bull market? I have no fucking idea. But this could for sure hit a $100 to $200 million market cap for sure, which would mean from here on an X5, an X20 something, X15. For sure possible, but overall no idea where this could really go. The next, another one that was massively requested was ZIG. And guys, ZIG has similar price action like PropChain basically has. Just ranging in between 2 zones. The only thing that will make it bullish is if we turn this resistance into support and climb higher. If we do not do that, we will break below this zone, which again, I do not expect to happen, because if it would happen, it would have already. So in the cycle that we are right now, I do not expect us to break below this zone. But if it would happen, that would be bearish for ZIG and we would just fall to the downside. Next is Trias, and Trias is like one of the only tokens that looks still extremely bearish. What does it need? Well, it needs two things. First of all, to hold support here at all-time low. As we are at an all-time low, price is not looking very strong. If we do lose support here, abandon ship in my opinion, because the fall might be just a lot bigger. The only thing that will make me bullish on the daily time frame is if we break above this zone right here for Trias of $3.90. If we break above $3.90 and hold support, we will climb higher. Now, daily time frame confirmation is not enough. We need weekly time frame confirmation as well, as the downside has been pretty steep so far. And for weekly time frame confirmation, we need a break above $5.25, retest that zone, hold support, and then we will start to climb higher back towards the $8, $9 and likely higher as well. As for now, Trias does look extremely bearish, and holding support at its all-time low is a must. For the people who like to take a risk, you could buy in here for sure in anticipation that it will hold support, wait for a break above the zone here, and then hold till wherever you want. For example, if I would buy, I would just buy here at its current all-time low. My stop loss would be a closure below the zone, and my take profit, for example, would be something like this. Yeah, something like this. This would be a nice X2 on my position, and if it hits my stop loss, I lose what, at 5 to 10%. So quote unquote worth it. But first I will look for signs of support here, and as for now, it doesn't look very favorable. And the last but not least is SUI, a new chain doing quite good, and as we can see, it's in bullish price discovery. What would make me bearish is if we fall back below the zone right here. And then definitely we could retest here 1.20 to $1 region. It's definitely possible. That will also mean that Bitcoin is making a correction, and this would be a buy the dip opportunity. As for now, I do not really see it happening, and for now I do expect SUI to remain in bullish price discovery as well. So where will it go next? No idea. Bullish price discovery means that we work with psychological levels at this point. So psychological levels means round numbers: $3, $3.50, $4, $4.50, $5, and so on and so on. Overall, SUI does look bullish. Let's see where it will go to. The only thing that will make me bearish is if we fall back below this zone, which would mean a buy the dip opportunity. As for now, I would just let it run if you're not holding it. SUI is up quite a lot actually since July. It's up at 400%. So in my opinion, I would just let this run. I will look to allocate my money in another project that hasn't pumped this much just yet. All right, guys, I hope this helped. See you in the next video.